Fennel, Lavatera. There's the Kufia cigar plant, rosemary, Burberry, Ceanothus, the orange carex grass, which is native, drought-tolerant ground-covered Diamondia, milkweed, the only food for the monarch butterflies, Mexican sage, California native Hesperlo. Check out that flower. More milkweed for the butterflies, Mexican sage. Hummingbirds absolutely go nuts over this plant. It's called the St. John's. It's a miniature bottle brush. And there's rosemary, olive tree, artichoke, lavender, blueberry bushes. They have to give it blueberry acid fertilizer. And check out this citrus. Oh my goodness. It's like a citrus machine. Have you ever seen anything so loaded? Amazing. And here's a purple sage. Again, there's that Kufia plant, rosemary. One of the nicest places in Redondo. LED low voltage lighting with drip irrigation. Just amazing. Pollinator garden, Redondo Beach.